Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Brad with Being Chill. Today we're going to be talking about the new Ring Mailbox sensor that was just announced by Amazon yesterday. Now this is going to be part of Amazon's Ring devices that are coming sometime next year in 2021. I do have a video about their drone security camera. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link up there. And I do want to ask you guys before we get into it, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload new videos like this every week, Monday through Friday. So if you like this content, I'd love it if you checked out some of my other videos. Now, let's get right into the Ring Mailbox sensor. Now, this product was just announced yesterday alongside all of Amazon's other products. However, I do believe it was very overshadowed by some of their bigger products like the drone or even the car alarm stuff, because I'm really surprised at how little people are talking about this product. This has been a highly sought after and customer demanded product from Ring for some time now, and they finally announced that they're going to do it, and nobody knows about it really. So I'm going to talk about it a little bit. First off, it is going to start pre-orders next month on October 8th if you're interested in buying it. I do think that you'll be able to buy it on Amazon since they are the company that owns Ring themselves, and it's going to retail for a price of only $30 US. So it's really not that much money, and if you already have a couple Ring devices, it will fit perfectly into your Ring ecosystem that you might have set up already. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how exactly this device is going to work. Whenever somebody opens your mailbox that has this device attached to it, and it is very prominently displayed on the side of your mailbox, I'll show a picture here, and you can see that it's probably going to deter criminals just from that alone once people start to figure out what exactly it is and assume that Ring is some sort of security system. So people are probably already not going to tamper with your mailbox right there. But if somebody does, you are going to get a notification immediately to your Ring app or any Alexa-enabled devices stating that somebody has opened your mailbox. And if you have other Ring devices like the Ring doorbell or the Ring smart lights or the Ring cameras, you can even set it up to where when somebody opens your mailbox, be it you or an intruder, it can turn on your lights or start recording on the cameras or do both at the same time to make sure that you get a good capture of who was in your mailbox. Now, I'm sure you can do other things like this, like you can set up to turn on your lights in your house whenever you come home, whenever you open your mailbox. Maybe that's the first thing you do when you come home. So really the possibilities are endless here. The options are up to you. And I do believe you'll be able to control really any Ring devices that you have to start recording or do whatever their function is whenever your mailbox is opened. Now, I do want to point out that if you do want to do this, it does require the Ring bridge, and if it's similar to the Ring lighting bridge or even the same thing, I'm not sure. It is going to cost about $50. I found one on Amazon. I'll put a picture of it up right here so you can take a look at it. So you are going to need that if you do want to connect it to your other devices. However, I don't think you need one if you just want to use it in standalone mode. So how exactly is it going to get a Wi-Fi signal from all the way out in your yard at your mailbox? Maybe you don't have a great Wi-Fi signal and you can barely get signal in your house. Of course, you can't expect your mailbox to get a proper signal all the way out there. So what they are doing is they are going to be rolling out something called Amazon Sidewalk sometime next year or at the end of this year, which is going to enable low emission Bluetooth and Wi-Fi at 900 megahertz to come out of all Ring cameras and Echo speaker devices that people already have in their homes. They're going to roll out this software update to these devices that are compatible, and I do believe it's the majority of them going back to Echo speakers from 2017, I believe is the minimum date. And it's going to allow all of these devices to start emitting a low energy Wi-Fi signal up to half a mile, Amazon says. So this is going to immediately create an infrastructure of your neighbors and people around you, which are going to start emitting this Wi-Fi signal out of their devices. I imagine it's probably going to be an opt-out rather than an opt-in, just because most people will not be tech savvy enough to turn it on, and Amazon wants to make this network as big as possible. So if you do live in a pretty dense area or you have an Alexa device yourself, they do say that you will be able to emit this Bluetooth signal or Wi-Fi signal up to half a mile, which is going to be able to connect all your smart devices. It's also going to work with devices like the tile tracking device and really anything else that needs Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to work. And it's really going to be quite interesting what we see happen with this, because it's really going to open up a lot of possibilities for software and hardware to take advantage of Wi-Fi that they might not have had access to, or it was too costly to push out to wherever the device was located. So this really could open up a lot of doors, and if you're tech savvy like me, I would really keep an eye on this because it's really going to be cool what they decide to do with this in the future. Well, that's all I've got for today's video. I know it was a short one, but there's really not much to talk about with the mailbox sensor, and there's really not much information out there yet. However, if you guys did learn a little bit, make sure you hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like these, I upload them every week, Monday through Friday. Friday, so make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace!